Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sparkling Beauty Bee. In today's video we are doing Dior Beauty unboxing. So here I have a box from Dior and I'm so excited. Dior packaging is so beautiful, always makes me super excited, and I'm particularly excited about this unboxing because I used a code and that gave me a pouch, the denim pouch, and I'm so excited to see that. So we will be unboxing this together and see how the actually Dior pouch looks like and whatever I got here. So let's do it. So obviously I'm very excited about unboxing this, and let's do this. Cannot wait to see the denim pouch in person. I'm so excited for that. Wow, look at this. Oof. How gorgeous this is. Stunning. The most stunning Dior denim pouch. Yay! Arm here. Open it. Wow, lots of space. So I got a lipstick. Wow, look at this. Absolutely stunning. The texture is amazing. It has the matte velvet finish. It's just actually a case, and I was eyeing this for a very long time because of the color. So it's the burgundy color and it is so beautiful. I also got a refill. So this is number 716 and this has a creamy finish. So it's very hydrating and has a hint of color, which is so pretty, and this is for the case. Told you Dior offers a lot of complimentary gifts, which I love, and this is the serum that I got as a free gift with all my purchase and more coming. So this is another lipstick. This one is not a lipstick, this is a lip balm, and this is a refill case. So it's number 820, and I will look for a case for this one. And then I got a mascara that is also complimentary. I got this little pouch which is written Christian Dior. It's very cute, and these two are as well complimentary: a perfume, eau de perfume, and a lip maximizer, which is so nice of Dior. So guys, that is everything for my Dior Beauty unboxing. I am just in love with all the lip colors that I got. Look at the colors. They're like exactly what I was looking for. I'm so happy because I just picked them up online. I didn't get a chance to, go to the store and test and try them. So I was, I was kind of like worried about what color they're actually going to be, and I see they are just very much natural looking colors, exactly how I want my lipsticks to be. I'm so happy, and all the gifts that I got, they're just so wonderful. These little pouches like these ones makes me so happy, and the denim pouch, like this is the most exciting part from this order, because it is just very exceptional. I love it, and this star here, oh, this looks so good, and I'm just so much in love with it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and there are so many codes. Create an account in Dior Beauty website. They will let you know whenever you can get some gifts. They constantly email you, and also if you go to the TikTok, you will see people share a lot of discount codes. So I keep trying those and I get a lot of different gifts. So one thing is that I always used to buy my beauty products, whether it is luxury or whether whatever, everything I used to buy from Sephora. But now I have realized that You know, in Sephora I can save up to 20% during the discount season, but if I directly buy from the, you know, Dior store, I can actually get a lot of exciting gifts, which is just so wonderful. And a lot of the times Dior bring their new release items, Dior website brings their new release item before Sephora, so it is actually more fun to buy from the actual website. I have some more exciting beauty unboxing coming up on my channel, so keep an eye, and I hope to see you soon on my next video. If you like this video today, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below. Whatever you are picking up from Dior, share with me. I'm really curious to know that. So I will see you next time on my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.